guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this tutorial on this super curly jerry curly lace front wig, and basically I showed you guys start to finish on this install. So if you guys are interested in watching this tutorial, keep on watching. Alright, so here's the wig, guys. I did bleach the knots on this wig, but that's all I did. I did not pluck it or anything. It already came pre-plucked. This is how the inside of the wig looks. It is a 13x4 lace front wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead and begin applying it on my head. Oh, okay guys, one thing I gotta do is, because I don't want my eyebrows to get messed up, you gotta cut off all that extra lace so you don't mess up your makeup. So now I'm just going ahead and getting that lace adjusted to my head. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace on this side first, and then I'm going to do the opposite side. And now I'm just gonna take my comb and pull out this part because my hairline does not come down this low. So I'm gonna take that straight across and collect all that excess hair. Alright, I would just literally like snatch it off, but I'm just gonna go with my razor and just cut around the lace. That I'm going to slide it back and pull this a bit forward, and then I'm going to do one thin layer of my So Melted lace glue. And once this first coat dries clear, I'm going to go ahead and apply the lace. Alright guys, I'm going to begin laying my hair down. Alright you guys, so now I'm going to take some of my spritz and I'm going to spray it on the table, and then I'm going to tap my finger in and tap it into my lace like that, and like this, and then I'm going to put my band on and let that sit. I'm gonna put my band on and let it sit for like 5 minutes or so, maybe until I get to, or less, maybe just until I get to the opposite side of my hair. This is just to help it lay better and dry better. So this is a lace front wig, but I'm gonna be doing a deep side part with it. So I'm gonna just start hot combing my hair from this side and work my way all the way to the other side. Alright you guys, so now that I've got it like scooted to the side to my likings, I'm gonna go ahead and start my baby hairs. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut all my baby hairs and curl them, and then I'm gonna end up styling them afterwards. Okay guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my baby hair glue on my baby hairs. Alright, you guys, so these are my baby hairs. I'm not really feeling them today. Like, it's not giving. Like, I don't know what I went wrong. Like, I don't know, but I don't really care for them. But I'm gonna just go ahead and do them. Keep them how they are. I'm gonna go ahead and set them. And then just let my melt pen sit with it. Let those melt bands sit on it and dry it off. And once it's finished drying, I'm gonna just take it off and then style it some more, like wet it up and stuff. For now, I'm just gonna let it sit. So I'll come back once it's dry. Alright, you guys, so I've let it sit for a good 8 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead now and just take it off and show you guys the final baby hairs. And this is how the hair looks. It's so big on this side. I'm gonna go and wet it and bring it down some, but for the most part, I like it. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and wet it, and now I'm just gonna take some of my So Curly Curl Spray, and I'm just gonna spray some of that. And get that going. I think I'm almost out. Then I'm gonna take my So Fluffy Mousse, and I'm just gonna put some of that in between my hair right here. So like right above right here. I'm gonna take some mousse and kind of rake that in there. And then I'm gonna do it as well to the top part. This is to kind of keep my hair from getting too big. I'm getting too fucking, sorry not the curse, and getting too frizzy. At this very part right here. Yeah. It's kind of gonna give it some control. So this is how the hair looks. I'm wearing hair from Ashimary Hair. This is gonna be my second time or like fourth time working with this company. It's like my third or second time working with this company. Third or fourth, I don't remember. But this is their deep curly, actually it's Jerry curly hair, and if I'm not mistaken, this is like a 28-inch. It doesn't really fall so hard on me because the curls are so tight, but it still looks really, really good. And this is how it looks on. So yeah. If you guys are interested in more details about this hair, I have everything listed in the description box below so you guys can check this hair out or anything like that. Thank you guys so much for watching.